So hello and welcome everyone. I'm Denise Reed-Lamoureux, Global Chief Diversity Officer, and I'm pleased to invite you to this month's RAD Chat, where we focus on the women's programs in Atos, Romania. I'm going to pass the floor to Ligia Ardelean, who will help us have a better understanding on those programs for women in Romania. Ligia, I hand you the microphone.
Hello to all, and thank you for the invitation. I am Ligia Ardelean. I've been part of Atos for 6 years now, acting as Application Hosting Services Head and Global Delivery Center Supervisor. Throughout this time, it was and it is very nice to be a participant, a contributor, and also promoter of women programs and actions. There have been many initiatives in this area, and for this particular meeting, I would like to focus on three of them, which have had a very good impact. Atos Talks, IT on Heels, and the Speak Up presentation skills workshops. The first one I would like to detail a little bit is the Atos Talks. The scope of this initiative is to be there for women who are just now starting their careers and guide them with information and pieces of advice so they could take informed decisions based on their interests and goals. In order to do so, we targeted students and we chose not only to present them career opportunities, but also to create a nice and friendly environment to both ask and exchange opinions and also share experiences. To loosen a little bit the atmosphere, we've included presentations, exercises, and games. It was very interesting to bring together students at the beginning of their career and have in mind also our Atos experience stories. All of us started like this, and it felt good to share from our experience and support our participants. The second one I'm looking at is IT on Heels. The scope of this event is to share experience and to create a space for support for women to know that we grow, we overcome challenges, and we have all it takes to succeed. By creating this space for mutual support, we can inspire each other and build together this inclusive environment that we need. The initiative was born in July last year, and we are very happy to see involvement from different communities, either Atos, universities, and both companies towards this common goal. Speaking about universities, as this is important to have a very strong community of ambassadors in order to have impact, we also implemented Speak Up presentation skills for HR, where we targeted future professionals who, by being aware and also feeling empowered, can contribute to this desiderate not only in Atos, but also in the extended community.
So it sounds really fascinating and truly interesting. What's been the impact of the initiatives you put in place so far?
I am glad to see that our initiatives, we have grown towards an inclusive mindset here in Atos. Our top management is a team of women. 28% of the entire management team are women. 19% of them hold global position, while our largest technical team is 27% women, while overall 36%, so one third of our 2,600 employees are women. We also created the Atos Women community in order to support each other, share ideas, and put them into practice.
This is really great. You've been involved in so many different initiatives. Why do you think it's important to do so when it comes to empowering women?
To keep it brief, I would say education. It is very important to invest in yourself. That is the starting point. Be competent yet balanced. Invest in your people and in your community. It takes each of us and all of us to make a difference.
And I really like that last statement. It does take each of us and all of us, because when we're looking at gender balance, it is a job to be done by all of us, not just a couple of people. So why do you think gender balance is so important, Ligia? What would be your advice in this space?
Interesting question. I would say approaching gender balance in a holistic way. And on one hand, empower women, be involved in supporting them, act, but also partner up with our male colleagues. Men and women are unique, different in experience, Yet both are important for making gender balance a reality. The equal rights of men and women, the gender balance, may only be achieved if we do this together. So, absolutely yes, start with yourself, empower others, and join efforts to create a better, inclusive environment for all of us.
That's really good advice, and it really is aligned with the way we're approaching this idea of getting to better balance here at Atos. Thank you, Ligia, for being here with us. I'm so pleased that we have programs like Women in Romania. And if you are interested in learning more about our company and applying to come work with us, visit our website at atos.net, click on the Careers tab, and be taken to the list of all open positions, some of which are in Romania that you could apply for today. We look forward to seeing you here along with us in the future. Thanks so much, Ligia. Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. Same to you.